This is my new life. This can't be life. All right, so this is going to be somewhat of a vlog. I wanted to sort of talk you through this whole gardening and plants in my house thing. And it's going to be rough because I have new neighbors above me who are renovating, and I cannot find a quiet time at all ever with decent enough light to be able to talk to you. So we're going to have to try to work through this, and it's loud. As you can hear, it's loud. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is I bought some moisture monitors for my plants. One of my former coworkers recommended it to me, and I wanted to share with you what it looks like and how it works. So from what I could gather already is that I've been underwatering my plants probably since day one, even the ones that aren't supposed to die, you know what I mean, easily. I've been probably abusing them and didn't realize it. So thank goodness for this monitor, but let me show you how it works. Okay, so this frog, that's the monitor, and you basically stick it into the soil and it measures the moisture in the soil. So it is very, very annoying when it is yelling to say that it's dry. And it just keeps going until you do something about it, right? So this morning when I first tried these out, I have two of them that were in stereo riveting until I could get the moisture situation under control. So then once you put it into the, once it's in the dirt that's moist enough, it shuts up. So, as you can see, no riveting. No riveting. And I didn't know if it was broken because I kept watering and it kept riveting. I watered, it riveted. So what I did was I stuck it in a bowl of water to see if it would stop riveting, and it did. So which means I have been grossly underwatering my plants for the longest. This is the other plant that has a frog in it. Hopefully you can see it hiding in there too. So this is my snake plant here. So this morning again, I had the hardest time getting the riveting under control, which means I've been, like I said, severely underwatering my plants for the longest. So for today's video, we're going to be focused on putting this arrow garden together today, and then getting these, I don't know, these pods in here as well. So I don't know. I'm gonna see how best I can. I've never done like these types of like tutorial type. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I've set it all up. The time is set. I'm on herb garden setting. It's really easy. You just kind of click, this is your menu, go up and down and select your settings for time and the type of garden you're creating. And then you saw me go through all of the steps, and this is what sort of the final looks like. So this is what the final looks like. I've set up my basils here on this side. I got my thyme and my dill here in the middle, and I have my parsley and mint. I put my mint towards the front. I don't think it makes a difference, but I like the way mint smells, and I was hoping that it would give me some aroma if I put it towards the front. So in my windowsill here, I have my rosemary and my ZZ plant. So I'm thinking across here, I'm going to put the arrow garden, so then I'll have something across all my kitchen windowsills. So I'm going to move it from where it is now and give it its final home. So that was actually much simpler than I thought it was going to be. Just a few easy steps. You saw me go through each of the steps. It says that I just need to put the plant food in there twice a week, and the timer or whatever the settings is on the Aero Garden will let me know when I need to add more water. It tells me exactly where I need to fill it. It seems pretty easy. So hopefully I won't have any bad news to report, but I'm really optimistic about being able to grow herbs in this thing. I'm super excited. Everything is automated. So like I said, I'm really excited. My husband is actually, he doesn't get excited about much. My husband is even actually excited about having fresh herbs at home. So he's always wanted to have a garden, but just didn't want to put in the effort, whatever. So anyway, not wanting to put in the work, we've never started our own garden. So having it indoors, something really small and predictable and manageable, all of the things, I think that's a great thing to have. So I'm excited about that. So that was really, really simple. I will keep you posted on how this is going because it was, like I said, really easy. And I'll keep you posted on if I ended up smashing my moisture monitors, because those things, when they ribbit, you heard it, when they ribbit, it is annoying. So that brings us to the end. I'll keep you posted on my gardening and plant excursions. I do plan on getting one more plant, which would be a succulent from Trader Joe's if I can find one. I'll keep you posted on that, but let me know if this type of thing interests you. I can never tell because I don't know if you guys are. Let me know in the comments down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. If you know anyone who's interested in this type of content, share it. I feel like if you liked it, your friends would like it too. Hopefully you come back. Thank you for watching. Bye.